Bullying is not a joke or simple teasing. It includes repeated actions such as verbal abuse, physical harm, spreading rumors, cyberbullying, and social exclusion. This action can seriously affect students' mental health, confidence, and academic performance.
Because of this, the Philippine government implemented Republic Act No. 10627, also known as Anti-Bullying Act of 2013. This law aims to protect students in schools from all forms of bullying.
Good morning po, I'm Rayonan L. Francisco from 7 Buttercup. I think anti-bullying talaga is yung nagiging armas natin pagdating sa mga negative na action na nare-receive natin mula sa ibang tao. Since dito napoprotektahan tayo mula sa mga physical and emotional na pananakit.
In terms sa application, meron naman na tayong mga batas dito sa school na ipinapatupad na kung saan nalalaman nila kung ano yung mga pambubuli, alam din nila kung ito yung nakakasakit na. So para sa akin, effective naman siya.